Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again today with another video for you in map reading, and today we shall be looking at bearing. Please, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to my ideas as we find difficulties and we solve problems. And if you have any question, you can put the question at the comment section. So we shall be talking about bearing and to determine bearing. What is bearing? Bearing is the direction of a place expressed in degrees. That's what we call bearing. You can also determine directions on maps from cardinal point. You can determine directions from grid lines, but determining direction from bearing is very much essential. And there are certain steps that I'm going to give you here to follow when determining bearing. The first step is identify the points which you are required, making sure that you identify the point of origin. That is the main problem here. You identify the right point of origin. Here with the setting of questions based on bearing, they usually set question as what is the direction of this from this. Now the word from always show you your point of origin, and the word of always show you your point of destination. So you should be able to identify the right point of origin and then the right point of destination. The next thing is you want to draw a straight line, a vertical line passing through the point of origin from south to north. And then the third is you draw another line linking your point of origin and your point of destination. Then you make sure that you place your protractor at the right position. Here with the protractor, you have the center of a protractor, which is here where 90 meets with the vertical line north. And when reading bearing, we usually start from north at 0 and we go to a clockwise direction. It is very important, please don't forget these steps. So when you have your point of origin after drawing the line, you therefore place your protractor, making sure that the center of your protractor lies equal to your point of origin, and then your vertical line is equal to the vertical line that you have drawn. Then you read the bearing toward a clockwise direction and you have the bearing. Consider that the 2 points are not equal, or the 2 points, one of the 2 points is west of the point of origin. That's the point of the destination is west of the point of origin. You need to add whatever answer that you have to 180 and you have the bearing. Alright, here as I earlier said, we'll be needing a pencil and a protractor for this map work issue, and with the protractor we'll be determining our bearing and direction from the protractor. A question may be asked as what is the bearing and direction of the radial mass 625175 from the information center 614161. I will get to my map and I identify the radial max, which is here. This is the radial max at 625175, and I have the information center here 614161. So the question is here, like I said, you have to identify the point of origin. The point of origin here is this, because they have asked what is the bearing of. So our point of destination will be this, and we have the point of origin here. So when you have identified the right point of origin, like here I have identified this at the right point of origin, which is from, then I have to draw a straight line from it upward. This line would mean, and downward, this line would mean that I am moving north and south from this point of origin. The second step is I draw another line linking the point of origin and the point of destination, which is this one, making sure that I would have to extend this line. You always extend this line. You look at my point of origin is here, but I've extended this line and it is coming up to this level. So the next thing for me is I will have to place my protractor at the right position, making sure that with this protractor, the point here, which is this 0 up, I have to start from a clockwise direction and I move this way. So I place this here, make sure that the center of my protractor is from at my point of origin. So this is how I place my protractor here, and then from here now I can be able to read my bearing. Now from a clockwise direction I will read. I have here, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, and then here it 40. So my bearing from here, the bearing of this the max TV max from the information center is 40 degrees. So I will just write 40 degrees and the direction is northeast. You read your direction from the 16 cardinal point, it is northeast. Now the second example is here. Let us get this way. They may ask you this question: what is the bearing and direction of the parking 601173? So I then identify 601, I trace it down like I highlighted, and then I meet here, and then 173, and then this is the parking. This P here is the parking. They have said what is the direction of this from the radius max. So we are moving from here now to here. So like I said, the first thing that you should have to do is you draw a straight line northward and southward from the point of origin. Do it here, and then the next line is you draw another line linking your point of origin and the point of destination. So, and I make sure that it extends. Now I place my protractor at the right position, making sure that the center of the protractor is here, and then this line is equal to the north line that I've drawn. So this is what I have. From here I am able to move northward down this way, and I get here to the south, and I arrive at 180, but it is not my destination. What I therefore do is I turn my protractor around and I make sure that I start from south again, from 0. So, and I place the protractor at the right position, making sure that it falls as usual. So I place it this way, and then I count. Now this is what I have. Going this direction from 0, I will have it as 80, 81. So I have 81 from the south. I have 80, 81. So I therefore have to add 81. I therefore have to add 81 to 180. If you add 81 to 180 that we had here, it will give you 261. Now you may have another way to do this thing, but the right way is to add whatever answer you get here to 180 to give you the right answer, and you write your answers in degree. Thank you for watching that video, and I hope you like the video. Please try to share it with somebody, and as we help to solve the problems of math reading.